Imagine walking barefoot on soft sand with no crowds, no noise, just the sound of the ocean. These aren't the beaches you see in travel brochures. These are the hidden gems, quiet, untouched, and known only to locals. Beaches you've likely never heard of but absolutely need to visit. In this video, we reveal 5 secret U.S. stunning stretches of sand across the U.S. If you're craving peace, beauty, and a little adventure, you're in the right place. Stick around, our last stop is so remote, it'll feel like you've discovered a new world. Let's get started. First up, we're venturing to a truly unique and captivating destination along the California coast. Northern California's Bowling Ball Beach, a place where nature's artistry is on full display. Hidden along Schooner Gulch State Beach, a short but scenic trail leads you to this geological wonder. The anticipation builds with each step, and then, the beach reveals itself. At low tide, this spot reveals massive, round sandstone boulders, nature's own bowling balls. Perfectly spherical and smooth, they seem deliberately placed. It's quiet, uncrowded, a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And perfect for a contemplative walk, a chance to reconnect with yourself and the natural world. Among these geological wonders, each boulder tells a story of time, erosion, and the power of the ocean. No swimming here, the currents are strong and the waves can be unpredictable. Just awe at the sheer scale and beauty of this coastal landscape. Solitude, a chance to be alone with your thoughts and the sound of the waves. And jaw-dropping sunsets that paint the sky with vibrant colors as the light dances across the stones, creating a magical and unforgettable scene. Bring your camera because you'll want to capture every moment of this extraordinary place. Breathe in the salty air, let the ocean breeze fill your lungs and invigorate your senses. And let the beauty ground you, reminding you of the simple wonders of nature. This is California, like you've never seen it. A hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Sometimes the best places, the most memorable experiences, are the ones you almost miss. So keep your eyes peeled and your spirit open to adventure. Next, we're off to Florida's Shell Key Preserve near St. Pete Beach. No roads, no crowds, just a boat or kayak ride to a wild, undeveloped island. The sand is covered in shells, sand dollars, conchs, whelks, making every step a treasure hunt. There's nothing here but you, the sea, and endless sky. Swim, picnic, or just wander in silence. It's the ultimate escape from the noise of the world. Pure, simple paradise. Now, let's journey north to the captivating Olympic National Park in Washington State. This park is a treasure trove of natural wonders, a place where mountains meet the sea. Our destination? The stunning Second Beach. We'll embark on a scenic hike to reach its sandy shores. The trail meanders and winds its way through a lush, mossy forest, a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. Sunlight filters through the canopy, creating an ethereal glow. Eventually the forest gives way, opening onto a wild, dramatic coastline that will take your breath away. The vastness of the Pacific Ocean stretches before you. Majestic sea stacks rise defiantly from the surf, sculpted by the relentless power of the waves over millennia. They stand as silent sentinels guarding the coastline. As the tide recedes, tide pools are revealed, each a miniature world teeming with marine life. Starfish, anemones, and other fascinating creatures make their home in these temporary havens, and along the shore, driftwood sculptures crafted by nature's own hand line the beach. These weathered logs tell tales of the sea, carried here by currents and tides. The beauty of Second Beach is that it's rarely crowded, it's just you, the ethereal mist that often blankets the coast, and the constant, powerful roar of the Pacific Ocean. A symphony of nature unfolds before you. Even on foggy days, when the sun is hidden and the world is shrouded in mist, the atmosphere is undeniably magical. There's a sense of mystery and wonder in the air. Walk for miles along the seemingly endless stretch of sand, explore the fascinating world within the tide pools, or simply sit on a piece of driftwood and watch the mesmerizing dance of the waves. Let the rhythm of the ocean soothe your soul. Here, on Second Beach, nature's raw power and breathtaking beauty are on full display, a spectacle that will leave you in awe. It's a place that stays with you long after you've left its shores, a memory etched in your mind. Ready for something wild? Welcome to Georgia's Cumberland Island. Reachable only by ferry, this island is home to ancient oaks, untouched beaches, and wild horses roaming free. 17 miles of pristine sand, historic ruins, and a sense of timelessness await. Watch horses graze by the waves, find giant shells, and walk for hours without seeing another soul. It's a living reminder that wild places still exist. Cumberland isn't just a beach, it's an experience. Lose yourself in its magic. As our journey nears its end, we have one final, breathtaking destination to explore. Welcome to Dry Tortugas National Park, a cluster of 7 islands that offer a unique blend of history and natural beauty. Situated approximately 70 miles west of Key West, this remote location feels worlds away from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Access to this natural wonderland is exclusively by boat, offering a sense of adventure from the very start. Or for a quicker and more scenic route by seaplane, providing stunning aerial views along the way. This remote paradise features an array of attractions that will captivate your senses. Dive into crystal clear water, so transparent you can see every detail beneath the surface. Relax on pristine white sand, feeling the soft grains between your toes. And explore the massive Fort Jefferson, a 19th century fortress steeped in history and architectural grandeur. Snorkel vibrant reefs, teeming with marine life, a kaleidoscope of colors beneath the waves. Walk the historic moat, imagining the stories it holds within its ancient walls. And swim in water so blue it feels unreal, a refreshing escape from the everyday. Wildlife abounds, a true haven for nature enthusiasts. Keep an eye out for gentle sea turtles, graceful rays, and countless species of tropical fish. There's no cell service, allowing you to truly disconnect and immerse yourself in the surroundings. And blissfully, no crowds, just you and the tranquility of nature. Just pure, untouched beauty, a sanctuary for the soul. Getting here takes effort, requiring a bit of planning and commitment, but the reward is unforgettable, a memory that will last a lifetime. This is the ultimate hidden gem, a place where time seems to stand still. For true adventurers seeking an escape from the ordinary, Paradise found a perfect ending to our Caribbean adventure. That's 5 secret beaches each with its own story and soul. Which hidden shore will you explore first? Share your favorite secret spots in the comments. If you love this journey, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more off-the-map adventures. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, stay curious and go find your beach. Bye-bye.